Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. At ayan nga guys, pupunta tayo sa bake shop sa The Chocolate Death. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami.
It's a baking area. Ito oh. What's that? That's Hershey's chocolate. Guys, pwedeng tumikim. Ice cream, licorice, marshmallow, popcorn, red velvet, the whiskey, the gin, the ram, pina colada, dark rum, and the maple, the peppermint, and the rose, violet, the strawberry, pistachio, raspberry, pistachio, pineapple, peach, passion fruit, orange, wala yung orange, wala yung lilo. So, tignan mga letters, okay, pagagawa nilang cake, see the letters, everything. Yeah, look at guys, so cute. There's a fork, everything you can find here guys if you want to bake something, like that. Small straw, pizza jelly, and here's the Corona cocoa powder lights. Okay, here guys, if you want to icing, show to my video. So, because I'm vlogging, so show this is Elsa, this is chocolate mousse. Say like that, you must show me. This is chocolate mousse. Yes. And this is gelatin. Yes. And this one is cocoa butter. Yes. Yeah, so you can find everything here if you love baking. Chocolate mousse crème. And this is a black forest pie filling. Yes. Okay, 24 icing if you want the small one. Tortugas.
Here's another for decoration. Happy birthday sa mermaid. Happy birthday. Okay, it's a baby girl. Happy birthday. Oh guys, it's so nice here. You can even Okay. 21, 21st, 30th. Guys, pwede itong panggawa ng pulburon. Ayan pa. Okay. Ayan, pwede na ito. Yung mga plastics, the boxes. Tape sa seam wrap sa seam wrap. Oh, this is lovely. I think there's a baking school here. There, it's a baking school. Okay, there guys. Packaging. I'm coming, Anna. I'm coming, Anna. Elsa is still busy. Yeah. Huh? What is that? Show me, Anna. Oh, that's so cute. Let me see. Oh, this is lovely. Are you going to buy for Elsa? Wow, you're so kind. You're so kind, Anna. This is a tools. It's a tools. Okay. It's a whipper. Whisker. on. Crepe paper.
Put it in the trolley.
There. And then that one. Here we go, guys. So beautiful. Okay. Sorry. So cute. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm done, guys. And this is my family. And there is. So this is the whole shop, guys. This is the whole shop. This is, guys, the chocolate den. See? And the operating hours. Monday, Friday, Saturday. Is there. See? Guys. And then so cute. Yan yun sa Edenvale. Let's go, Anna. Saan pupunta, Megs? Ha? May incheck pala rito. Alin, ito ba mga damit? Mga used one. Bayaran ba?
Sa may kuya nga daw eh.
Oo nga.
Ito sa may kuya, nagkaano yan na kuya.
Oo, oo. Alea, Anna, wait for Elsa. Give me your hand.
She's a winner.
Yay! We're going to... Yes! What's that? Oh, no! Nahulog. No. Okay, guys. We're going na.